Guys, on today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your clipboard on your device. Now, if you are making use of an Android phone and you want to find what you have copied on your clipboard, now what it actually means is whenever you highlight something whenever you're browsing and you copy something out, right? Let's say this word, and then you hit copy, right? They are all saved on your clipboard. So whenever you open any input area, you can long press and then paste, right? Now, what if maybe you have actually copied this thing, let's say a few minutes ago. Now, this is actually where you find it. You notice the way my mouse is moving, right? This is the keyboard area. So on the keyboard area, you can notice where it has three dotted icon. You click on that. Hold on, something is typing. Let me go ahead and delete what I typed. It's displayed that option because something is typing. So you click on this three dotted icon, and then you are going to notice where it says clipboard. You click on the clipboard, and then it's going to display everything I've actually copied and saved on my clipboard. They are all here, even the one I did yesterday. So they actually do delete, but let's say the ones you have actually done recently are going to be there. So later on, they are all going to be deleted. If you want, you can always delete it by clicking on this. And when you are done using it, you click on this. Now let me go ahead and practice this. So let me assume on X, right? And then let's say I want to post something. Click on the plus icon, click on post, and then you click as if you want to type, right? Now this is my keyboard display, and then I click on the three dotted icon. This is my clipboard. Now I can go ahead and paste this. You can notice it paste, or let's say I decide that I do not want that, I want to paste something else. Or here, I can select anything that I want to paste and then paste it. And that is all. So that is actually how to find your clipboard. And once you're done using it, you can always click on this keyboard area and it will navigate back. So I hope this video is helpful, guys. Do let me know if you had further question. I am going to make further video about this. I'm going to see you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace.